We are out at Glade Run today, fishing in the kayak. Gonna be seeing if we can get some largemouth bass. And hopefully we can hook up into some. So we have made it. I'm going to start throwing a white chatterbait, but I also, on my other rod, have a Rapala ripstop. So I think for now we're going to be just casting perpendicular to the bank, but we might cast parallel with the ripstop, so we'll see. Water clarity is actually really nice. You know, this white is showing up really well. So hopefully this wall can produce a fish. Off the rock wall using the chatterbait. Here we go. First bass on the chatterbait, hit it right off the wall. Gonna run into the shoreline here, but it's all right. First bass on that white chatterbait. Just throwing it along the wall here. As you can see, there's rocks, and I love to fish the rocks for the bass. So there you go. First bass in a little bit, and I'll send him on his way. There he goes. Nice fish. So that fish came right off the wall. Just kind of casting like that, letting it sink a little bit and just running it. So hopefully we can get one or two more over here. There we go. That's a fish. Just like that. Here we go. On that chatterbait. Look at that, just fell right out. Little guy. A little bit smaller than the last one, but still a nice little fish. There he goes. All right, I'm gonna wrap it up here. So I got to the island. There's a little bit of weeds around it, but I don't think it should be too much of a problem. I think I'm just gonna head back to the dam and fish that rock wall a little bit more because I'm not getting any bites anywhere else. I switched up to a Texas rig beaver bait. Kinda jigging it along this weed line, seeing if there's any bass underneath it. Alrighty, well, as I was casting it down, I had a fish hit it right here. Unfortunately, I missed him twice. There he is. There we go. Wow, that fish missed it twice. Or I at least didn't get a good hook set in him twice. There he is right there. That is not a bad one. Pretty much just dropped it to the bottom of that tree. And there he is. Bit that beaver bait. Or Berkley Pit Boss Jr., I guess I should say. There he is. Beautiful fish. Yeah, I hooked him, or I felt a bite right there. Miss him. Dropped it back down, missed him again. And then third time's a charm, he came and picked that thing right back up again. So, I'm gonna let him go. There he goes. And maybe I should be fishing these trees a bit more. That's the third fish of the day. Not too bad. But maybe I should be fishing these trees a little bit more. Maybe then I'll be able to get a couple more fish. But I do at least want to fish this rock wall once more with the beaver bait, kind of dropping it down. But hey, we'll see. That was an awesome catch. Alrighty, well, I don't think there's any more fish on this this tree right here, but I'll fish the rock wall using this. After fishing this wall with the Berkley Pit Boss, didn't get any more bites, but I think I'm gonna start fishing these trees a little bit more. So I don't think I was recording, but I just got this guy, tossed it right here, and was kind of just jigging that Pit Boss along the bottom. Skinny guy, has a little bit of a cut on him right there, or a scar, but nice fish. Oh jeez, chill out. I'll let him go over here. There he goes. Nice. Yeah, I think we're gonna wrap it up. It was a pretty good day out on the water, so hopefully we'll be able to come out here again sometime soon.